many ordered pairs of integers x and y satisfy the equation x over 12 is equals to 12 over y? So here we have the four options 30, 15, 12 and 10. So for this equation we have to find that which option is right for the ordered pairs of x and y. So let's solve the equation for this equation x over 12 which is equals to 12 over y. So firstly we will cross multiply xy is equals to 12 square. As here 12 is 2 times, so I write it as 12 square. So xy is equals to 3 multiplied by 4 square, as 12 can be written as 3 multiplied by 4, so I can write this as 4 square and 3 square by separating this power. So xy is equals to 2 square and multiplied by 3 square. So this can be written as 2 raised to power 4 times 3 raised to power 2. So here I want to use the rule for the prime numbers powers, and the 3 and 2 are the prime numbers here. So I can use the rule that a raised to power alpha, b raised to power beta, c raised to power gamma, and so on, where a, b, and c are the prime numbers. So in this form, I can write the number of the factors as, then the total number of the factors are alpha plus 1 times beta plus 1 times gamma plus 1 and so on. This condition only satisfies when the a, b, c are the prime numbers. So we will use this for proving. So before using this rule, let's consider an example for the best or better consideration. So before consider, we will going to let an example about the prime numbers and the factors. So as 12, I can write this as 2 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 1. So 2 and 3 are here the prime numbers. We have to consider the prime numbers to use the above rule. So 12 in the other word can be written as 1 multiplied by 12, the rule which we learn in our early sessions in early education. So 3 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied by 3, and so on. 6 multiplied by 2, and 12 multiplied by 1. At the same time, I can use the negative integers too. -1 multiplied by -12, -2 multiplied by -6, -3 multiplied by -4, -4 multiplied by -3, -6 multiplied by -2, and -12 multiplied by -1. So here we have the factors which are positive and which are negative. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the positive factors, and similarly I can write the negative factors -1, -2, -3, -4, -6 and -12. So in this case I have the 6 positive factors or 6 positive values and 6 negative values. So this implies that the total number of the values are 12. So now use the rule that we discussed above. 12 can be written as 2 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 1. So here I am going to use the rule by our consideration. Now the number of the factors according to the rule will be alpha plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, and beta plus 1, that is 1 plus 1. So this is equals to 3 times 2, that is 6. So here 6 are the positive number of the values of factors. So the total number of the factors are 12 as we discussed. So now we are going to consider that xy is equals to 2 raised to power 4 times 3 raised to power 2. So xy can be written by using the above rule. The number of the factors of this equation are 4 plus 1 and beta plus 1, that is 2 plus 1. So this will be equals to 5 times 3, that is equals to 15. So 15 positive roots are here, and at the same time 15 negative roots are here. So we have the 15 positive values and the 15 negative values. So xy have positive and negative values. So the total number of the values are 15 plus 15, which are 30. So here we have the 30 order pairs, that is the A option is the right option.